Load your family into the 2007 Nissan Armada. A 5.6-liter V8 engine pairs with a sophisticated 5-speed automatic transmission, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. 4-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. Nissan prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including a rear window wiper, a leather steering wheel, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, remote keyless entry, adjustable pedals, and cruise control. Backseat passengers will appreciate the rear audio controls, allowing them to make easy adjustments to the stereo system. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.